Hear the clicking sound?
That's good.
Just to kind of show everybody what the dimension in here. On these particular slides, the chassis hangs about 9 inches away from the rack server. Now, this is a 28-inch rack server. I know the guys in the Army said 24 to 25 inches, so you'd have to use a different type of slides, but I'm just kind of trying to show everybody how it is possible. So to take the top off, you would use the thumb screws to loosen here, or you could use a screwdriver. Right, so to take the top off, you can use your hands and undo the screws, or take a screwdriver, and there's plenty of clearance here to unscrew these. So once it's unscrewed, you simply pull the top back towards the rack cabinet, pull it up, put it on the side, and then the canister design will be very similar to another product that we have that looks like this. It'll have 3 captive screws, and it'll have guide pins, which I'm envisioning being about 1 inch longer than these. These will go in to the threaded area that all expansion chassis will have. So your canister, if you can imagine this being a lot bigger and having the cards, you would drop in straight down, and you would line the guide pins up with the holes like I did here, and then you would tighten these captive screws with your finger or with a screwdriver. I know there was some mention of will the soldiers be able to do this with gloves on, so to give you the dimensions, it looks like the captive screw, the center line of the captive screws is about 3/8 of an inch from the end. So my finger can, most of the turning will be on this side, so there should be room for somebody to fit their finger in there and do that. If not, there's plenty of room to drop in a screwdriver vertically and tighten it in this way. So you would tighten the 3 screws on the canister. Do the same thing on the second set. Take your top, plenty of room here, slide it back onto the top of here, tighten your thumb screws, depress your release button on the slides, which is right here, push your chassis back in. That's kind of it in a nutshell. Pushing down pretty hard, more than should be pressed down, but as you can see, things are pretty sturdy. So that's it.